Welcome to Debt Busters. In this video, we'll teach you how to create a faceless YouTube channel that sticks out from the crowd with the power of InVideo and ChatGPT. You can focus entirely on making high-quality videos that your audience will enjoy by using our strategies and resources. We'll use ChatGPT's powerful AI technology to help you personalize your content for your target audience. We understand that the YouTube landscape is continuously changing, which is why we're dedicated to staying ahead of the curve. You'll be at the forefront of exciting new trends if you create a faceless YouTube channel, attracting viewers who are looking for something original. This video is paid for by our sponsor, InVideo. With the help of InVideo, faceless YouTubers of all levels and companies from all sectors may produce videos with unique content and branding for sharing on websites and social media. It offers sophisticated editing features, ready-made themes, and a content bank of pictures and videos that you may use from internet libraries like Storyblocks and Shutterstock. A video template can be altered for marketing, event planning, promotions, branding, YouTube videos, and other business needs from a library of over 1,500 pre-built templates. Get started today using our link in the description. Use the code DB25 to receive a 25% discount. Let's begin by choosing a niche. With so much content available, it's critical to identify a specialized topic you're enthusiastic about, and that will draw an audience. But don't worry, we've got some pointers to assist you in finding a profitable niche. First, consider what things you are knowledgeable about or are interested in. Do you have a distinct point of view or expertise in a particular field? Maybe you're a fitness fanatic or a tech expert. Whatever it is, you can ensure it's something you are enthusiastic about and can see yourself writing material about in the long run. Once you've found your niche, it's time to think of an appealing angle. What distinguishes your content from others in your niche? How can you set yourself apart and make your videos stand out? Perhaps you have a unique sense of humor or an editing style that distinguishes you. Whatever it is, make it a point to include it in your videos. Remember that your niche and approach should resonate with your target audience. Use ChatGPT's AI technology to investigate and understand your potential viewers' interests and personalize your content to match their demands. Let's use traveling on a budget as an example niche. This is an excellent niche because it appeals to many people who want to travel but don't want to break their wallets. It's also a fairly high CPM niche. Our historical estimates suggest that channels in the travel niche earn between $4 and $20 per 1,000 monetized playbacks. We might explore inexpensive, off-the-beaten-path sites that offer unique experiences. We could also advise on discovering affordable flights, hotels, and activities. Using ChatGPT's AI technology, we can prompt it to explore renowned travel spots and discover hidden treasures that travelers generally ignore. We might also make videos that cover typical budget travel problems, such as how to save money on food and transportation. Congratulations on your selection of a niche. It's time to start making videos for your faceless YouTube channel now that you've chosen your target demographic and the type of content you want to create. And what better way to accomplish this than by writing your video scripts with ChatGPT's AI technology? ChatGPT is a strong AI tool that generates high-quality content ideas and outlines through natural language processing. Simply enter a prompt relating to your topic, and ChatGPT will do the rest. In minutes, the AI will analyze your prompts and develop a script for your video. One of the most beneficial aspects of ChatGPT is that it can help you save time and effort. Writing a video script can be time-consuming, especially if you don't have much expertise. You don't have to worry about writer's block or coming up with new ideas when you use ChatGPT. Simply trigger the AI, and it will develop a script tailored to the needs and preferences of your audience. But ChatGPT is more than just a video scriptwriter. It can also aid you with research and fact-checking, keyword optimization, and even coming up with new video ideas. ChatGPT can help you take your videos to the next level, whether you're a newbie or an established content developer. Let's take a topic like outdoor adventures for families. ChatGPT can be prompted with phrases such as outdoor activities, family-friendly, and budget-friendly. Remember, we chose traveling on a budget as a niche for our channel. Let's walk through what we're going to ask ChatGPT to do. It's important to remember a few fundamentals when building your prompt. You want to tell ChatGPT the type of platform you're writing for, the topic you want to cover, how long you expect the video to be, and the tone of voice you'd like the script written in. For our script, I'm going to tell ChatGPT, please write a script for a YouTube video in the travel on a budget niche. Write a 1-minute long script on the topic outdoor adventures for families. Write the script in a casual tone like you're a 35-year-old travel blogger. I kept my sample script short for the purposes of making this video, but your script length may differ. The AI will then create a script for your video that incorporates enjoyable and inexpensive outdoor activities for families to enjoy together. It can also advise how to prepare for your outdoor journey, such as what to pack and how to stay safe. ChatGPT can assist you in creating entertaining and educational videos that will have your audience returning for more. You'll have all the tools to create high-quality content that resonates with your audience with InVideo and ChatGPT. Thanks to ChatGPT's AI technology, you now have a script for your next video. You may wonder how to turn that writing into a visually appealing and interesting video that captures and holds your audience's attention. That is when InVideo comes in. InVideo is an online video making software that quickly converts your script into a high-quality video. It's indeed a perfect tool if you have more money than time. You may modify your video with multiple layouts, animations, and visual effects that will bring your script to life using InVideo's user-friendly interface. To use InVideo, you don't need to be a skilled video editor or have prior knowledge. It's that simple. One of the best aspects of InVideo is its adaptability. To match the tone and mood of your video, you can select from various templates, themes, and styles. For example, if you're making a video about outdoor family excursions, you can use a template with nature-inspired visuals and colors to make a visually appealing video. InVideo also provides a variety of customization choices to assist you in creating a video that matches your brand's distinct style and personality. To make your video more personal and interesting, you may add your logo, change the font style, and even upload your photographs and videos. Using InVideo to create a video is not only simple, but also inexpensive. You don't need to engage a professional video production company or spend on expensive equipment to generate high-quality videos for your Faceless YouTube channel. You can create stunning videos to attract your audience without breaking the bank with InVideo. Click the link in the description to follow along. To begin, sign into your InVideo account and click Dashboard on the left side of the screen. This will bring you to the Create New Video page. Click AI Text to Video from the menu. You'll be asked to pick a template from the Suggested Templates menu. We're going to pick the Summer Travel Content template. This will allow you to see a 30-second preview of the template. Notice the sizing options on the right. We'll use the default landscape 16:9 aspect ratio since this is a YouTube video, and click Use Template. Coming soon, InVideo will roll out its InVideo AI feature to all of its paid users. InVideo AI will allow content creators to eliminate ChatGPT as a step in their content creation by embedding GPT technology into InVideo's script page. InVideo will allow you to go from concept to content all within its platform. We've done a video on what you can expect from InVideo AI in the past. You can learn more by clicking the card on your screen. In the meantime, let's paste the ChatGPT script into the large text field. You'll notice that the bottom left-hand corner of the screen gives you options to use free, iStock, or premium images and videos. Let's stick with the free clips for now. Click Create Scenes and InVideo will set up your project. This should only take a few seconds. Once it's done, you'll be on the storyboard page. You'll have the ability to edit, duplicate, or delete scenes, as well as upload any media you'd like to add. The bottom of the screen also features voiceover options. If we click on it, you'll see options like automated text-to-speech, import from uploads, upload your voiceover file, or record voiceover. Let's use the automated text-to-speech option for our video. I know how much you love hearing AI voiceover samples. InVideo features 14 languages, from US English to Hindi to Thai. US English is the default, so let's stick with that. We're presented with 9 voice options. Let's sample John.
Opening shot. Sunny day, green mountains in the background.
Jack.
Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's perfect for families who love outdoor adventures.
In Brooklyn.
We're going to talk about how you can have an amazing time in nature without breaking the bank.
I'm a Brooklyn native, so we'll choose Brooklyn for this voiceover. We'll click Brooklyn and click Generate Voiceover. Let's click Add Automated VO for all scenes, as we don't want to only have one scene with a voiceover, and click Add. You may replace media and text in InVideo if you're not satisfied with what it generates for you. Simply select a new image, video clip, or text by clicking on the element you wish to replace. You can choose pictures of traveling camper vans or adventure places that look attractive. You can then erase the background to make the image stand out. Our video is complete. After you've completed your video, it's time to preview it and make any necessary changes. Click the play button at the bottom of your screen to preview your video. It's best to preview your video before exporting it. You can see it as many times as you want in InVideo. This is a good best practice because you might notice something about your video that you want to change once you see it all together. For example, you may feel your music is too loud and overpowers your voiceover after watching the preview. If that's the case, you can close out of the preview, go into the editor, and click Volume and Fade. This will lead you to the music's volume control. You can see that its default setting is pretty high. We can lower this to accommodate our voiceover. 70% or minus 18 decibels is a good music volume in my opinion. When you're finished editing your video, it's time to export it. InVideo has two export options, 720p and 1080p, which is recommended for the best quality. We can click the export button and watch a few seconds of the video we just put together. Here, take a look.
Opening shot. Sunny day, green mountains in the background. The host, a 35-year-old travel blogger, standing in a nature park with families enjoying outdoor activities. Host, hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's perfect for families who love outdoor adventures.
The process is as simple as that. You can now upload your video to your Faceless YouTube channel, sign into your YouTube account, and then click the upload icon in the upper part of the page on the right. Choose the video file you just exported and provide the video's title, description, and tags. Include relevant keywords and a compelling title to entice users to watch your video. For example, you can stick to our title, Outdoor Adventures for Families. You can share your video on social media and other platforms once you've uploaded it to reach a larger audience. You may also interact with your audience by reacting to comments and building a community around your work. Creating a faceless YouTube channel may initially appear intimidating, but with the correct tools and methods, you can produce high-quality material that resonates with your audience. You might be curious about InVideo's pricing. InVideo has two excellent tiers of service. They have the business tier for small businesses, educators, and faceless YouTubers like you. The business tier costs $30 per month and allows you to get watermark-free videos, 60 HD exports per month, 10 iStock clips or pics per month, access to 1 million pieces of premium media, and the ability to remove background from your pics 20 times a month. The unlimited tier is the next level of service up. This is ideal for agencies and larger teams. It costs $60 per month and allows you to get watermark-free videos, unlimited HD exports per month, 120 iStock clips or pics per month, access to 1 million pieces of premium media, and the ability to remove background from your pics 40 times a month. Both the business and unlimited plans come with a 7-day money-back guarantee. But that's not all. I told InVideo that my viewers are not their average customers. I told them that my debt bully is exceptional and deserve an exceptional deal, and they agreed. If you use my link in the description and the promo code DB25, you'll receive a 25% discount on your subscription, making the business plan only $22.50. Write Debt Bully in the comments if you agree that's a good deal. Starting a faceless YouTube channel is a terrific way to earn money by using easy tools and techniques, and it may be a long-term source of revenue. You should have a good idea of making a faceless YouTube channel with InVideo, ChatGPT's script writing abilities, and a little imagination. Now you know how to make a faceless YouTube channel using AI. Why don't you increase your understanding by learning more about using InVideo? Click the link on your screen to visit InVideo's official YouTube channel for more hacks on creating videos with ease. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.